Hi, my name is Megan Beats, and today I'm going to show you some introductions to databases. To get started, we're going to start on the Prairie Wind homepage. From the Prairie Wind homepage, you're going to access the library page. Once you arrive at the library page, you're going to go to the Campbell County Public Library. At the top of the Campbell County Public Library page are green tabs. You're going to click on the green tab that says Databases. There are several ways to search databases. You can search by subject, such as encyclopedias, history, kids A through 8, language, and literature. You can also choose a letter if you know the name of the database you'd like to look at. And if you want to just browse the databases, you can choose one of any of the 10 pages that have the databases listed. Today we're going to look at Britannica, Kids and Britannica Students, World Book Kids, and World Book Students. So today we're going to start with Britannica. So I'm going to go to B and go to Go. And I'm going to scroll down and we are going to start with Britannica Kids. As you can see, Britannica Kids has various categories such as Animal Kingdom, World Atlas, Images and Videos, Tour the USA, Compare Countries, and Articles. It also has a daily word buzz. That's something fun to use for trivia in the day. Today I'm going to show you Animal Kingdom. Since kindergarten is studying sea creatures, I'm going to click on Other Sea Animals. And I'm going to scroll down to jellyfish. As you can see, there is images, there's related search items. You can also push here and it can read aloud. You can rewind it and fast forward it. If you click here, you can cite it, print it, email it. You can make the font larger or smaller, and it tells you if it's at a reading level 1 or a reading level 2. Now if you click over here, you can also play the video image. Britannica is one of the only sites that has video images.
Jellyfish are not actually fish. They belong to a group of much simpler living things called cnidarians. Other cnidarians include corals and sea anemones. Jellyfish do not have a skeleton, a brain, or other organs. In fact, nearly all of a jellyfish's body is made up of water.
As you can see, Britannica's videos are short and informative and very good for the students to watch. The other site that we're going to look at for Britannica is Britannica School Edition, and you can get there from the Campbell County Public Library page as well. Today we're going to look at the elementary level. That was the kids version, so you can get there from there. And we're also, because we have 5th and 6th grade students, we'll look at the middle school level. If you look down here, it has a bunch of information. It has a world atlas comparing countries, touring the USA, interactive resources, biographies, and a media browse. And this is just a little bit higher level. Today we're going to search for Australia because 3rd grade is doing their Australia projects. Once you get to the Australia page, you can see that there's maps, pictures. Up here, there's articles. Then you can go to images and videos. and it lists all these pictures and videos, related topics to Australia. And then this is a nice section, it's the teacher section. It tells you the reading level of the articles for the lexile. You can connect it to state standards, the Common Core standards, or other standards. Also, you can print it, email it, translate it, make it smaller or bigger, and from the articles you can also cite it with the cite box. This level also reads it aloud to the students, and it tells you if it's at a level 1, 2, or 3 for reading. We're also going to look at World Book for kids, and everyone has their username and password on their handout. Now for World Book Kids, we are going to look at the solar system, as many grades cover that topic. Now with World Book Kids, you can see that there's articles and pictures. There is not videos on World Book for Kids. If we click on World Book Kids, it tells us the lexile level in the upper left-hand corner. It also has related information, citation information, and related websites. And also at the bottom of World Book are the citations when students are doing reports. For World Book students, it's the same username and password that you have on your handout. And it looks a little bit different. You can search by subject alphabetically. There's a dictionary and there's an atlas. It also has different research tools such as a citation builder, how to do research, and timelines. It also has a biography center, exploration, and popular titles. It has quizzes and activities, so it's a little bit more involved. We're also going to look at the solar system at this level. And as you can see, the last one was in the 900 lexile level. This one is in the 1080s. And it has a little bit more in-depth on the sidebar. You can print the full article, view it, highlight it. So there's a little bit more as you go on with the different levels of World Book. There are still not any videos, but there are still pictures of the solar system. And there's also the citations at the bottom, which come in very handy. Now that I've shown you Britannica Kids, students, and World Book Kids and students, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to explore the encyclopedias before we move on to history. Thank you.